GPRS intranet alarm system. These main features: 2.4-inch TFT color display, touch-type keyboard, multi-language voice switchable, APP remote control, 5 groups alarm phone numbers, APP push and SMS for arm disarm, notification for main power malfunction, tamper alarm. Anti-theft alarm system consists of the host, remote control, sensors, can learn up to 100 pieces. When the detector detects someone malicious invasion, immediately send a wireless signal to the alarm host. The host immediately issue 120 high decibel alarm tone, remote alarm call, alarm SMS, APP push notification. Insert a 2G or 4G SIM card, connect power adapter in siren, turn on the switch. Set alarm phone number and Wi-Fi setting according to the instructions. For door sensor, use double-sided adhesive attached to the door or window. For infrared sensor, use screws to fix on the wall. Adjust the detection angle. Press the arm key of the remote control. The host go into the protection status. If someone triggers the detector, the host immediately issue 120 high decibel alarm tone. The first time the mobile phone APP receive the alarm message, and then receive alarm SMS. Finally alarm call, we can remote answer the call.
Door alarm. Press 1 to arm. Press 2 to disarm. Press 3 to monitor. Press 4 to talk.
Press 2 to disarm the host. APP operation is more convenient. Control the host anytime and anywhere.
System armed. System disarmed.
Set the parameters of the host. You can also use
System
remote
armed.
controller and RFID
System
card to
disarmed.
arm and disarm.